Welcome to Rayline AI 4K ground painting machine. First, assemble the ground drive system. Place the wall printer stand on the floor mobile stand. Align the positions of these two card slots. Sliding lock buckle secures the body. Control lines connecting ground mobile racks. Insert the connecting rod and lock the connecting rod. Install the operating system computer and connect the data cable. Install the print head with screws. Fixed cartridge compartment. Connect the print head control line and pay attention to aligning the card slot. This completes the conversion of a wall printer into a floor printer. When printing pictures, you only need to switch to ground mode in the system. Thanks for watching.